All right, here we got circle O. We have AB is perpendicular to OF. I'm going to mark that right now. Actually, I'll use yellow. So AB and OF are perpendicular. DC and OE are perpendicular. We've got AB is 3x plus 2. 3x plus 2. And then DE is x plus 4. X plus 4. I've got OF is 24. And OE is 24. Okay. I want to find the circumference of circle O. That means I need my radius or my diameter. Generally speaking, finding the radius is a bit easier. Okay, just because of how things lay out. So let's see what we got here. Well, OF is perpendicular, OE is perpendicular. So if I have drawn from the center and perpendicular to a chord, that's my distance to the chord. And if those two distances, which are both 24, they're the same, that means that my two chords are going to be congruent. Okay, so that means AB, the length of AB has to equal the length of DC. All right? Well, I know the length of AB is 3x plus 2, but what's my length of DC? Well, if DE is x plus 4, I can actually conclude that EC is also x plus 4. Because if I'm drawing from the center, perpendicular to a chord, it also bisects the chord. So the two pieces of that chord, DE and EC, are going to be the same. So I will have 2 times x plus 4, or x plus 4 times x plus 4. All right. So if a radius or something drawn from the center is perpendicular to a chord, it bisects the chord. That's what we just used there. Now I can solve this by distributing the 2. So I'm going to get 3x plus 2 equals 2x plus 8. Subtract 2x and I'll get, I'll show my work, x plus 2 equals 8. Subtract 2, and I'm going to get x equals 6. Okay, that's not my radius. That's just a helpful part of the problem. All right, well, what can I do with that? Well, perhaps I plug that back in for x. And if I do that, I'm going to end up getting 6 plus 4, which equals 10. That would be for that length right there. So let's replace that. There we go. 10. Now, I want my radius to get my circumference. So what if I were to draw in that guy right there? That's my radius. That's what I want to find. R. Like a pirate. Okay. Anywho, I've got 10 and 24 are my legs of a right triangle. Can I use Pythagorean theorem, perhaps? 10 squared plus 24 squared equals r squared. But if you're looking closely, that's a 5, 12, 13 triangle. So my radius equals 26. Wait, we're not done. I want my circumference. All right, so if I want my circumference, we actually had that number pop up before. Circumference is 2 pi r. So if I plug in 26, I'm going to get 52 pi. Boom. Those triples are going to come up quite a bit. Quite a bit. It makes the problems nice and smooth, nice and clean numbers. We love that. We love that. It also freaks you out when you don't get them. But not always a guarantee, but triples will help you work through this faster if they do come up. Hope you loved it. That was great. American Freedom, rock and roll, Costco, Riverdog, Jenny on the ground. See ya.